Now, Karen Reed's defense lawyers are headed for a showdown with Judge Beverly Cannone. Next week's hearing will be a continuation of the one that was interrupted on Tuesday. Our NBC 10's John Maroney joining us live from Norfolk Superior Court with what to expect, as well as the very latest on the defense's efforts to have this case dismissed entirely. John, what are you learning?
So the start of the trial is still about a month away, but next week's hearing could change the nature of this case entirely.
The Commonwealth just provided the court with information that causes me grave concern.
An ominous warning from Judge Beverly Cannone as she suspended Tuesday's hearing in the Karen Reed case over allegations of improper conduct by the defense.
I don't know. We'll find out.
That's what defense attorney Alan Jackson said afterwards. Judge Cannone has now filed a formal notice about the continuation of the hearing, demanding specific answers from the defense.
The court sees this as a very serious breach of ethics and the requirements of disclosure by counsel.
Prosecutors are trying to keep accident reconstruction experts from ARC off the stand. In the first trial, the defense witnesses told the jury John O'Keefe's injuries weren't consistent with getting hit by Karen Reed's SUV, raising questions about how he died. But Special Prosecutor Hank Brennan said in court the defense didn't disclose they were paid $23,000 and had been collaborating with Alan Jackson.
If you don't want me to say this, that's fine. That's fine. Shh. Don't tell them.
Judge Cannone now wants to know what happened. She could issue sanctions, including removing out-of-state attorneys like Jackson or preventing the accident experts from testifying a second time. NBC 10 legal analyst Michael Coyne says it could be a tricky call if the court wants to avoid another delay.
Generally, it's time to try it and see if a jury can arrive at a unanimous conclusion.
Now, the trial is still set to start on April 1st. The defense was expected to file a motion for dismissal by the end of the day. At last check in the clerk's office, still nothing. Well, live in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
All right, John, we'll see what happens next week. Thank you. NBC 10 Boston is your home for the Karen Reed case. The next hearing, as we mentioned, it is scheduled for Tuesday, February 25th at 11 in the morning. We will be carrying it live online on our sister station, NECN, and on our streaming channels. Just search Boston News on your favorite platform and then join us for a special edition of Canton Confidential at 7 p.m. Going to be a lot to talk about.